What's happening, everybody? Back with another quick install. Should be. And a quick review. Here's the bar. It's installed in mine. Yeah, y'all seen it before. My phone mount, tablet mount over there. But the install I'm about to do, because what I did was I drove all the way out to PBI Customs. Cool guy, cool people. Already said that before. And I bought one for the JK. Went and picked it up myself. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna install it on a JK. Should be just as simple. 2 bolts, nuts, whatever you want to call them. I'll show them to you, show you what you need to put it in, and it should be cut, dry, simple, too easy. So let's go get into it. Now here's the JK. One of my concerns is because I got this aftermarket stereo, and 10-inch stereo here comes with a whole new dash part right there. But then when I looked at it, the dash part was made to look just like the stock one and fit just like the stock one. So I still should have no issues putting this in, even with this aftermarket component here, because everything's made to be just like factory. Only difference is bigger radio. So as you see, I already got the bar sitting here. See, it looks a little different than mine. And these are the tools you're gonna need. Now, you don't need all of these, but they're just different tools that'll help you out, because they will. Trust me on this. Now, one of the main things you want to make sure you got is a magnetic nut driver, because these you have to fit down in the hole, and it really helps if you can do that. And it's really just to get it started, because you can hand tight these, but we'll show you. And the reason I got all these other tools out here, you can do this. You can either tighten this down once you get it with the ratchet that comes in the kit for Jeep kits. Put the top on, you can use that. You can use a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch insert there, or if you got one of these, you can do things that way. Whatever makes it easy for you. Do whatever makes it easy for you. So, that's it. Let's show you. And this is my wife's JK. I loved it so much, I decided to get her one, do it for her. So, pretty much what we're doing. Now, first thing you want to do is, if you notice, there's a little hole right there. Go to the other side, and there's one right there. And what you want to do is you want to pop those out, because that's where it's going to fit into. Out. Second one out, too easy. Now if you look down in there, got my hand covering it up, but there's a stud that's down in there, and pretty much the bar just sits on top of that stud on this side, that stud on that side, and that's it. But the reason you need those other tools is because it's hard to get down in there. And you really want to use the magnetic bit, because it holds it, and you can get it down in there. And the easiest thing to do is go through the passenger side first. So we'll show you. So found out that when you're putting this thing in, it's a whole lot easier. You put the passenger side in first. And it's a lot easier to look through the outside of the window to see where, if you're lining up the bolt. Alright, so I got that one started. Go to the other side. Alright, so same thing. Want to make sure that it's sitting, protruding through the hole, and we're just going to put the nut on and tighten it up, and go to the other side and tighten that one up. So we're going to make this work. Very important, do not break your windshield, y'all. I think you'd be pretty upset if you broke your windshield putting in a doggone dash bar. Still a little tighter, longer extension would have been easier. Of course, I can always do this. Quick tap in the glass. Good. Look at that. So here we are, finished product. See how sturdy it is. Sits in the hole like it's supposed to. You see it rests on the dash right there, and this is an aftermarket whole dash piece that comes with this 10-inch stereo. And we're good to go, man. We'll go ahead and stick this phone on here. See how it looks. There we go. Put yours on this side. And then this tightens it up. You can go up, down, you can move it over, you can put it where you want to put it, but it's right there. And then if you want me to move it over, adjust it either way, that way, and whenever you get home.
Can you go back that way with it?
I can do this.
Yeah, that's better.
Right there?
Yeah, that's fine.
So there you go. She wanted me to move it. You can see the adjustability of it. I had it down a little bit, and she wanted it up higher up there, or closer to the grab bar. So I moved it, tightened it up, and that's it. Mounted to the bar there, and you can see you got the whole bar you can work with. Mount it right there. Put this up. You can put it here, there, over there. Put it wherever you want, but she's left-handed, so it's over there. You see how sturdy it is. Where's your phone? Little tab in the middle. Open it up. Phone in, clamps down, good to go. That was it. That was your install for your JK, and it was too easy. Took about 15 minutes total. Took me a little longer because I was messing around doing other stuff, but at the last minute you saw I had to rush and put the phone mount on because I didn't want her late for work. Army ain't trying to hear that, so got it done, got it in. It's sturdy, it looks good, it's functional, and that's it, y'all. So check them out, PBI Customs. Get you one, install it. Y'all stay safe, go change your life. Peace out.